die de derde plaats kon overnemen van de Bogosan Automotive, de groen-blauwe BMW M3. Lotus Evora, it started from the pit lane after 3 laps. After 3 laps in this race, already in 5th position overall, so not too much of a problem for them. The GT4 spec car, the black one, and that's the other Corhoser Racing entry. That's the BMW Diesel with the starting number 21. Running a little bit further down the order. Speedlover Porsche, the Belgian Porsche team led by André van Oof.